Happy Craftmas! Today I'm finally going to be hand sewing my annual calico ornament. This is going to be the final installment of Craftmas 2023, and so I thought today we would just have a cozy time sewing together and relaxing with minimal talking and just enjoy the atmosphere for the day. There shouldn't be too many surprises in this project. I hand sewed my ornament last year and have a video for that, but I will go over the kit first before we begin, so we will do that over at my table. I have chosen this 2-stocking Christmas ornament kit. It is from Haystacker. I don't know anything about this brand. This is from 1981. Cute. Cute little calicos and pre-quilted, pre-cut stocking pieces. Oh, those are cute. Yeah, let's just get some sewing done and have a pleasant afternoon. Well, friends, we have made it to the end of Craftmas 2023. I am so happy that you have joined me, and I am so pleased with all I was able to get done this year, although I barely scratched the surface of all that I had hoped to do. But I'm ready for a break. Just a little one. I will be back sometime in January. I have so many fun vintage and retro craft projects in store for you for 2024. I hope that you will click that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love to have you along for all of my upcoming adventures in knitting and sewing, needlepoint and more, all manner of needle crafts from the 70s and 80s. If you've missed any of this year's Craftmas installments, you can find them all in a playlist right here. Happy Craftmas, have a wonderful season, and I'll see you next year. Bye!